What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over these organizing straps. Now, I just reviewed organizing straps from Rapid. These are regular organizing straps, you guys. No big brand or nothing, but you know, we give all brands a chance over here. These are a little different because they actually have a handle to it. This is pretty cool. You get a handle right here, rubber. Well, is it rubber? Feel like plastic. But it's nice, sturdy. You have your ring right here. If you don't want to use this handle, you can use this handle to pick it up and then put it right onto whatever screw or whatever hook you have. All right. And then when you need to open this, you have a little lip right here. And this thing can actually wrap into a big loop. So garden hose will definitely be easy to carry around. If you have any garden hose like me, who has like 5 different garden hoses, this is perfect. All right, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 of these bad boys. So you get 6 of these. See y'all in a little bit. Catch y'all outside with the final review. All right, you guys. So this holder right here fits on very well. And this is a heavy duty hose, you guys. I'm gonna take it off real quick and show y'all. All right, took that off. Sorry, you guys. I'm a one-handed bandit on y'all. But there you go. And if I want to put this on a different holder, I can do so, where I have a million other stuff that's hanging. I got water hose, you guys, like crazy. Y'all know I love playing with water for the OGs that's been on this channel. And I moved my rain barrels further underneath of the deck. I put brick under them. I haven't tested them out yet with full water yet, but we have brick there, so that's a good start. And then everything is pretty level so far, but I'm pretty sure once water get into it, it'll probably sink under the dirt. But if you have another method trying to help me level this out pretty well, let me know. Maybe blocks might be better. I don't know. I just want it under the deck, so I actually have more room. So they was further out, blah, 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 blah. I'm supposed to be finishing this. So here we go. And along with my Rapid right there, you see I got the Rapid right there. We are going to go ahead, and this got stuck. All right, take that out. And a lot of water just dumped out. Okay. And there we go. So I put it on the handle. So I could either put it on the handle or I could put it through this this ring right here. So I'll show you that. Maybe a little bit hard, but all right. Whew, we did it with one hand, you guys. I put it through the ring, through the ringer. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.